Now for the top piece, what I can do is I can measure here, or I can measure here, but what I'm actually gonna do is cut a piece long, 36 inches, and I'll show you a little trick. So this piece obviously goes like this, but I'm gonna flip it and put it like this, and with a nice sharp pencil on the sides, I'm gonna make a mark like that, and on this side. And the orientation of these 45s are gonna be opposite, so it's gonna go like this and like this. Now I'll set this to 45, and I'm gonna just barely make that line disappear. And same thing on this side. Now, lift this piece up, and since the sides are plumb and the top is level, this should make for some pretty decent 45s. A little bit of a gap here, that's okay. If you have to trim it, you can trim it. And I'm going to add just a little bit of wood glue here before I nail them. I'm going to install this here first. Nail in. And then over here, this is a little long, which I actually prefer. And then I can pull it down. Then I can nail this 45 here. Put one right here, one right here.